You're listening to English with Chan. Learn, laugh, speak.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Anna and Leo, the podcast where we learn English through real stories, real topics, and real emotions.
And today's topic is something serious, something powerful, and something we all must understand, even if it's difficult. Today, we're talking about the disadvantages of war.
Now, don't worry. We'll keep the English simple and clear. We want you to learn, feel, and think in English.
So, let's begin with a question. What happens when war begins?
What is war? War is when countries or groups fight each other, using weapons, soldiers, and violence. War is not just on a battlefield. It affects cities, homes, schools, and families.
In war, people get hurt, not just soldiers, but also children, parents, teachers, nurses. War changes lives in seconds.
And sadly, war still happens in our world today. Let's talk about the 5 big disadvantages of war in simple English. People die or get hurt.
War causes pain. Many people lose their lives. Some are injured and never fully recover.
Some children lose their parents. Some parents lose their children. This is not just numbers. This is real pain, too. Homes and cities are destroyed. Buildings fall. Schools are closed. Hospitals can't help because they're broken or too full.
A place that was once full of life becomes quiet, empty, cold. 3. Fear and sadness.
War brings fear. People feel scared every day. They hear bombs. They hear gunshots.
Children cannot sleep. Mothers cry. Families live in constant worry.
4. No education for children. When there is war, many schools close. Kids stop learning. And without education, it's hard to build a good future.
Some kids never return to school. Some must work. Others have to move far away.
War destroys dreams. People want to study, work, build a business, travel. But war stops all of that.
Even if the war ends, the fear, the damage, the sadness stay for a long time.
Part 3. Vocabulary time. Let's learn some important words from today's topic. Word, meaning, example sentence. War.
A fight between countries or groups.
War causes pain and loss.
Soldier. A person who fights in a war.
My uncle was a soldier.
Destroy. To break or ruin something.
The building was destroyed by bombs.
Fear. A strong feeling of being afraid.
I feel fear during loud sounds.
Peace. A time without war or fighting.
I wish for peace in all countries.
Let's say the words together. Ready?
War.
War.
Soldier.
Soldier. Destroy. Fear.
Fear.
Peace.
Peace.
Very good. Write them in your notebook. Use them in your own sentences.
Real talk. Anna, have you ever seen a war?
No, but I have spoken to people who lived through war. One woman told me she had to leave her home in one night. She had no time to pack. She just ran.
That's heartbreaking.
Yes. She said the thing she missed most was peace, silence, a safe bed.
We take these simple things for granted, don't we?
Yes. And that's why we talk about this, not to scare, but to learn, to understand, and to hope for a better world.
Let's practice speaking now. I'll say a sentence. You repeat it. Pause after each line. War hurts people. War destroys homes. Children need peace. I hope for a better world. I believe in peace.
Great job! Your words have power. Never forget that.
Today's topic was heavy, but remember, we also talked about peace.
Peace begins with us, with understanding, with kindness, with learning.
When you learn English, you're opening your mind to the world. You're building bridges, not walls.
And that's powerful. That's hopeful. That's peace.
Here's your homework today. Write 3 sentences using the new vocabulary: war, peace, fear, destroy, soldier. Then answer this question. What does peace mean to you?
Share it with a friend or say it out loud to yourself. Let your words bring light.
Thank you for listening, for learning, and for thinking deeply with us today.
If this episode made you feel something or helps you learn something, please subscribe to our channel, like this episode, and share it with someone who wants to grow.
Together, we can learn English and become more kind, more wise, and more united.
We'll see you next time on English with Anna and Leo. Take care, stay safe, and always believe in peace.
Together, bye for now.